Hello all, point to conversation in SwiftUI recommended point of view. Just figure out executions of lazy and non-lazy conditions point of view. Phases of compiler and doing effects by using latest keyword working point of view. Memory others process executions or high performance data loading effects to handling execution automatically, avoiding threading effects to executions point behalf. So figure 1.0 denoting all information effect to data loadings pointing case. Here, pointing to lazy keyword pointing to data loading. Outcome phases of executions of processing inside flow data executions case. So figure 1.1 lazy keyword pointing to main data source just managing loading effect automatically. Just denoting pointing case, enums conditions case pointing case. And just like creating data model structures and pointing to variable cases of data declaring different state pointings behalf. So figure 1.2 inside see that some general informations or variable execution state. Pointing to switch case different state and handlings working state of showing data behalf of cases flow base. So figure 1.3 pointing to different state of switch cases. Here point to lazy keyword to fetch username, execution state, and switch cases state, user state dot non-subscribers, valid case of executions, or processing of data displaying cases. So fetch username inside function, state executions and data mapping in right ways. Point to working conditions ways. So figure 1.4 pointing to different state of task flow of information's behalf. Here point to lazy keywords to fetch username, execution state, point to switch case state, user state dot unknown, invalid case of executions, of processing of data displaying cases, so fetch username inside function state non-execute, and automatically handling data mapping effect in non-execution state point case. So figure 1.5 pointing to different state of task flow of information's behalf. Here, non-lazy keyword state pointing to data loadings, outcome phases of executions of processing, inside flow data executions case. So figure 1.6 non-lazy keyword pointing to main data source, loading effects point case. Just denoting point case, enums conditions case pointing case, and just like creating data model structures and pointing to variable case of data declaring different state pointings behalf. So figure 1.7 inside see that some general informations or variable execution state. Pointing to switch cases different state and handling working state of showing data behalf of cases flow based. So figure 1.8 pointing to different state of switch cases. Here pointing to non-lazy keywords to fetch usernames, execution state, switch case state, user state dot non-subscribers, valid case of executions, or processing of data displaying cases. So fetch username inside function state executions, and data mapping, creating effect, hitting to data loadings, working conditions ways. So figure 1.9 pointing to different states of task flow of information's behalf. Here pointing to non-lazy keywords to fetch username, execution state, switch cases state, user state dot unknown, invalid case of executions, or processing of data displaying case, so fetch username inside function state executions, and not automatically handling data mapping effects in case of hitting database. So figures 2.0 pointing to different state of task flow of information's behalf.